Dobré ráno, dobrý večer a všetkých zdravím. Dneska sa urobíme si reakciu na nový Brawl Talk. Máme to tu.
It's Brawl Talk! Godzilla! A deadly plant, Brawler mutation?
A tak.
A Metalhead Dragon Rider.
Eggs!
Okay.
New Hypercharge!
Lots of new skins.
Get a Hypercharge skin for free! And more!
Už vidím, že každý z tých skinov bude stať 200 gemov a nebude mať ani na jeden. Sice Brawl Pass kupuje skoro stále, ale z jednoho Brawl Passu máte celkovo 150 gemov, ak sa neviem. A to je asi na... No keď si kúpite, že dve Brawl Passy, tak to máte, že 300 gemov, no to je legendárny skin.
You're destroying my model city!
Ale väčšina tých lepších stojí, že 150.
Welcome to Brawl Talk.
We have teamed up with Godzilla to bring a Monsters event to Brawl Stars.
This event is full of rewards and there's a new way to unlock them.
I'm Drew, by the way, the new community manager. Nice to meet you.
Smashing Monster Eggs can give you such as coins,
PowerPoints,
credits,
bling,
brand new skins,
and mutations.
What?
Yeah. Monster eggs contain powerful new mutations that transform how your brawlers play.
Mutations can affect supers like Bo having an unlimited amount of mines,
Regular attacks like Pam having unlimited ammo,
and some are just there to cause mayhem, like this one where hitting Hank makes him fire his fish torpedoes.
There are over 30 unique mutations to unlock in total, and they're all wild.
Make sure to check out the Brawl content creator videos tomorrow to see all of them in action.
Mutations will be available in all game modes with a mutation modifier, so you don't need to fully embrace the chaos if you don't want to.
Mutations are only active during the Brawl Stars and Godzilla event.
To znamená, že tie mutácie budú môcť byť použité iba v určitých eventoch. To je dobré. Lebo ako zase keby v každom game mode je tá mutácia, tak to by bolo OP.
So make the most of them while they're here.
Hey guys, is this a mutation? Or should I go to the doctor?
How do I get monster eggs? I need them.
Guys, calm down, please. You can get monster eggs by playing our brand new game mode, City Smash.
A new 3v3 mode where you can actually become Godzilla and Mechagodzilla.
Your team must collect these, and once you have enough, one of you will become an epic kaiju.
It's called City Smash for a reason. The team that smashes the city the most wins.
Winning a match of City Smash can give you up to 6 monster eggs every few days.
And if you lose, you get a rare star drop.
Finally, I'm rewarded for being a loser.
And you also get monster eggs in your daily rewards alongside star drops. Unlock a free hypercharge skin and free gems!
If you are in a club during the event, you will see a mysterious giant egg.
If you're not in a club, join a club.
Each monster egg you open helps break a mysterious giant egg, unlocking gem rewards and the final ultimate reward for everyone in your club.
The exclusive Hypercharged Godzilla Buzz skin. Hypercharged skins are a new skin rarity and they make your brawler transform when they are in their hypercharged state.
If you're not in a club, join a club.
To znamená, že keď zapnete Hypercharge na baze, tak bude vyzerať ako Godzilla. To je celkom zaujímavý koncept. Mohli by to dávať zadarmo ku Hyperchargeom, lebo ako keď to bude aj ako skin, tak to už bude ako trochu drahé.
Remember, each monster egg gives you rewards, mutations, and event progress for everyone in your club.
So the best way to play this event is to join a club with as many active players as possible.
If your club collects enough monster eggs, the whole club will get gems and the hypercharge skin for free.
And you can get these rewards entirely for free just by playing. But in case you got close to finishing, but not close enough, you can buy monster eggs in the shop and it'll count towards your club progression. So,
if you're not in a club, join a club. The Godzilla season will contain Mecha Tick Ghidorah, and Brawl Pass Plus will have the dark and light color variations.
More skins.
Did someone say more skins?
OK, pozrieme sa, čo to tu máme. To je nový skin na Eve, myslím. Vyzerá to tak, hej. Potom tam je ten Buzz. To je Nita, Brock a Tick. Zajímavé. Ten Brock vyzerá trochu ako To ten minulý skin z Brawl Passu, ten úplne prvý.
Mechagodzilla Nita with a Kaiju Bruce.
Mothra Eve. She's so fluffy.
Super Ranger Brock, red, yellow, pink, black, blue. No, they don't power up together to become a Mega Brock.
And Godzilla Buzz, which you can find in Monster Eggs or unlock with your clubmates.
If you're not in a club, join a club.
The Brawl Stars and Godzilla event runs from April 29 to May 20, and this is the best time to get these monster rewards. Hey guys, what do you call a sneaky plant? An ambush.
Lily is a new mythic assassin and part of Cordelius' crew. But is she a friend or foe?
Once a human girl, Lily was transformed after chasing a firefly into the enchanted woods and being captured by a magic flower.
She's now part human, part plant, part firefly, and all-powerful.
Lily has a fast, one-ammo, close-range attack and charges her super when she's near enemies.
Her super Flourish is where Lily really shows off her powers, firing a plant-based projectile at an enemy, dealing damage and teleporting behind them if she hits.
Her mastery title is Backstabber, which she most certainly earns with that super.
She releases with the 29 gem skin Strawberry Lily.
She's the first of 2 new brawlers coming the next update.
This next brawler is for all the metalheads out there.
I've trained my whole life for this moment.
Draco is a new legendary brawler and he's ready to shred.
He belongs to this new Star Park area called Medieval Manor.
Draco is a master storyteller, conjuring up images of dragons and flames for visitors to Star Park.
He's a close-range brawler and wields a weaponized guitar, which deals more damage when it hits an enemy directly with the tip.
As a tank, his super will charge with each bit of damage it takes.
When his super has been charged, Draco will mount a mighty beast of legend, his inflatable dragon.
While riding his trusty dragon, Draco will have increased movement speed and damage reduction, as well as a new area of effect attack, blasting out fire in front of him.
This makes Draco a formidable opponent while his super is activated, allowing him to control key areas and enemies for his team.
He releases alongside his 29 gem skin, Dark Knight Draco.
Don't disturb me, I'm hacking into the mainframe.
Bro, your computer isn't even on.
It's time to... Cyber Brawl!
Data transfer these skins to your collection!
Hacker Brock.
OK, Hacker Brock. Tento skin vyzerá reálne dobre. Mne príde, že Brock je jeden z tých mála brawlerov, na ktorého nejde vymyslieť veľa skinov, lebo je to taká veľmi špecifická postava.
The Brawl Pass King.
Master Hacker Brock and RGB Hacker Brock.
Tá ultina. Myslím, že to je USB kľúč. To sa mi celkom páči, to vyzerá dobre.
The Brawl Pass Plus variations.
B-Bite. She's some sort of software bug?
Vanguard. He'll kick down
Vanguard.
your firewall.
Zaujímavé skiny.
Glitch, Larry and Lori.
Glitch, Larry a Lori. Toto je pekné.
Available in ranked star drops.
Virus Charlie. She'll expose your browser history.
Gain unauthorized access to these skins in the Cyber Brawl season.
Zaujímavé.
Is that everything?
No!
Je to všetko?
6 new hypercharges are coming.
Brock fires a rocket barrage raining down.
Tak táto hypercharge vyzerá dosť dobre. Viem si predstaviť, že tým, ak bude boostnutý, akože bude mať nejaké shieldy, movement speed a tieto veci, ako keď zapnete hypercharge, tak to môže byť celkom dobré.
4 waves of rockets.
Sandy gives himself and his teammates extra movement speed in his Sandstorm. His super now also briefly silences when it lands.
Nita hypercharges her bear
To som nepochopil, jakže...
Bruce, giving him extra speed and health.
Max throws an energy drink to eat.
Počkajte.
Sandy gives himself and his teammates extra movement speed in his Sandstorm. His super now also briefly silences when it lands.
Nita hypercharges her...
Tak ten medveď je... jaký veľký? To je väčšie jak Brawler samotný. Najväčší Brawler je asi Frank.
Bear Bruce, giving him extra speed and health.
Max throws an energy drink to each team member, increasing their movement speed and partly charging their super.
OK, máme tu Max zo Hypercharge, ktorá keď použije Hypercharge a dá ultinu na svojich spoluhráčov, ak som to dobre pochopil, tak bude im dávať ultinu. To je dobré.
Ed chases enemies faster and leaves behind 6 of his mini-mines after it explodes.
And Jean's super splits into...
To mi príde také celkom zbytočné, bo čak ako... Chápem, že ako nesmelo to byť niečo veľmi OP, lebo však to je tick a on už je celkom dosť samo sebe v pohode. Ale ako to mi príde taká slabá. Na to, keď Nita má veľkého medveďa, tak na Tika mohli vymyslieť podľa mňa niečo lepšie.
3 hands, each being able to grab one enemy.
5v5?
OK, počkať.
Tick's head chases enemies faster and leaves behind 6 of his mini-mines after it explodes.
And Jean's super splits into 3.
Jean bude mať 3 ruky, hej? To je veľmi zaujímavé. Tu ako vidíme, chytil bota 3. Myslím, že 2 tiež. Toto môže byť dosť zaujímavá Hypercharge, ale ako... Neviem si to veľmi predstaviť použiť. Bude sa s tým dobre asi čízovať nejaké mapy, keď tam budete chcieť dostať, že do nejakého boxu alebo tak svojich nepriateľov, myslím si, že to by šlo. Rozmýšľam, že jak by tieto Hypercharge pomohli v bot Siege. Že či majú nejakú hodnotu na toho veľkého robota. Ale ako asi veľmi nie. No ten Nita medveď možno. Bo čak robot myslím, že nemá veľký damage.
Each being able to grab one enemy.
OK, dáva za 2500. To znamená, že mu to dá...
5v5?
Myslím, že 500 damage, lebo myslím, že Jean dáva 2000 presne.
Knockout!
The less brawlers on your team, the more powerful the remaining brawlers are.
We have a new rank modifier, Second Wing. Brawlers respawn where they were defeated instead of their home spawn.
Look out for the hashtag Urban Ninja Tara giveaway on
Urban Ninja Tara giveaway.
All social media.
Počkaj, to nie je náhodou ten skin, čo už raz vyšiel, to ten taký fialový? Neviem, jak sa teraz volá.
No!
More skins!
Ešte viac skinov, hej? Toto bude Summer Byron. Toto tu bude Summer Frank. Tu ten Mortis sa mi nepáči. Máme tu ešte
2 for 29 gems. Beat Byron, who needs to cool off.
Parasol Frank, perfect for a sunny day.
And Frost Queen Ember is fully turning into a 299 gem skin with the complete legendary skin package. Galamortis, it'll give you a fright to remember.
Missed out on some exclusive skins? Perfect for a sunny day.
And Frost Queen Ember is fully turning into a 299 gem skin with the complete legendary skin package. Galamortis, it'll give you a fright to remember.
Missed out on some exclusive skins? You can get these recolors in rank star drops or the shop.
Byron the White.
Rui Shou Nick,
Wave Hopper Jackie,
Filmmaker Buzz,
Moon Cursor Penny,
Piano 8-bit.
And this one is not in the rank star drops, but in the Monster Eggs. Scarlet Paladin Search.
It's time for Arcade Skins 2, remastered and recolored.
Gamer BB, yes, she's a
veď to je toto.
real game.
Počka, to je remodel na tú Heroine BB.
Okay. Even though she's a mobile gamer.
Urban Ninja Tara, for when a country ninja doesn't quite cut it.
Squadbuster Shelly, inspired by Squadbuster Shelly.
Or Supercell makes King winners. Dark Samurai Jean by Red.
Dark Samurai Jean, okay.
And Nightmare Sandy by Getty Core.
Congrats to our winners and thank you all for voting.
Speaking of voting, make sure you've checked out the Supercell Make campaign for Amber and Mr. P in the in-game news.
We also have some new True Gold and True Silver skins, as well as a few skin remodels.
And who wants a free pin?
Free pin!
No tak, keď chcete, môžete si zobrať tento free pin. Naskenujte to len do QR kódu. OK, toto bude asi všetko. Máme tu takú reakciu na tento Bravo Talk. Mutácie budú zaujímavé. Vyzerá to celkom dobre, ale ako neviem, jak to dopadne. Príde mi, že už tam je toho trochu viac, no. No, každopádne, toto bude všetko pre toto video. Ja vás zdravím, nezabudnite dať like, subscribe. Bol by som veľmi rád, keby dáte subscribe a like. A to je všetko, ja sa s vami lúčim, majte sa.